Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to our new episode of our podcast. This is Mahmoud Hassan, and we have decided our podcast name. Our podcast name will be Just Talk. So, welcome to Just Talk, and we are now available on YouTube also. You will find us on YouTube also. So, welcome to our YouTube channel. You go YouTube and search at the rate Just Talk 75, and you will get our YouTube channel. Thank you. And today we will discuss about IELTS experience. We have our honorable guest. This is our elder brother Saidul Islam Robin. He will discuss about IELTS exam, and we will learn something from him. So first of all, we will introduce him to you. So brother, you introduce you to our audience very quickly.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Saidul Islam Robin. I am from Narayanganj. Now I am currently English service student. I think it's better.
Okay, that was our Robin bro. His nickname is Robin, so we will call him Robin. So Robin bro is already introduced him by very quickly. So bro, first of all we will start from your childhood, just 1-2 minutes. Okay, you just describe your childhood from your childhood to IELTS. Just describe 1-2 minutes.
Around
When
when I was a child, English time, not memorize everything, but I want to say something. First of all, at around 16 or around 25 years, my age was 27, and when I is my 6, I was class 6. This time my father admitted primary school, and
okay, then you passed your high school.
yeah.
Which year?
Around
What was your SSC year?
2020.
2020.
No. 12.
2012 year?
Yes.
Okay, well, your SSC, that means 2014.
Yeah. SSC.
SSC was 14.
And after
you-
that, I finished my BB honors, and in this time, I completed my photography course for a diploma.
Okay. Oh, that's very good.
Yeah.
So,
So
we, after that, what type of job you joined? Did you any job or?
currently I don't work any job.
Currently not, but
basically I'm a
after
freelancer. I'm a freelancer.
Okay.
I already mentioned that I'm a photographer. That's why if anyone, any company knows me, that's why in this time I go there.
Okay.
And,
So you are not a permanent job holder.
yeah.
Okay, you are a freelancer, and they hire you as a outsourcing, and you
Yeah.
work with them as a freelancer.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good thing. You have done any boss, and you
No.
don't have anything. So, what is your marital status? Married or unmarried?
I'm an unmarried person. In this time.
Okay. It means you previously was married.
No.
Okay. Okay,
No
so then,
experience.
okay, no experience. So we will discuss again on other things. So, bro, we have listened, heard about you. You already participated in IELTS exam. So mainly we will talk about IELTS exam. So why? First of all, I want to know why you participated in IELTS exam. What was the reason?
First of all, IELTS means International English Language Testing System,
Yes.
and it's a exam. Anyone other country, not mother tongue English. If you go to some lots of purpose like education purpose and job
Work
purpose,
purpose,
work purpose, so you got IELTS score. So it is not possible if you don't
They are desired to score. We don't
go to
them.
abroad. Okay, abroad.
So,
And IELTS 4 module, another reading, writing, speaking, and another listening.
okay,
Four
my
module.
question was why you participated in IELTS exam? Why you participate?
Uh,
Why you get
in this time, I observe this all over situation. I live in middle class. I also middle class family, and I live in Bangladesh. You know, every people know that Bangladesh
country
is
situation is not good.
not good. That's
Yeah.
why I go to abroad
That's why
for
you
my
want to
higher
go to
study
abroad?
education,
Okay.
because lots of facilities like uh, lots of income source available,
Yes,
and
yes.
fu- I think future bright almost.
Okay, so you want to go to abroad for permanently or temporarily?
Uh,
Permanently staying there, or after few years, you come back to Bangladesh?
I think it's a ambassador type of question, but I already
No, it's just our.
yeah. When I go to when I chance I go to abroad, so
That time you will decide.
I will decide
According to situation.
situation. Depend.
Okay, what's the situation? So, what's your dream country? Where country do you want to go?
I will. I think I already mentioned I go to abroad for my higher education, but my dream country, Denmark, because
Denmark. Okay.
because it's a European Union country,
Yes.
most famous country,
Yeah, most famous country, yes.
lots of facilities. That's why I already mentioned I'm a photographer, so I choose photography subject in Denmark.
Okay,
That's
okay.
why my dream country in this time was Denmark.
Okay, so from when you started your preparation for IELTS?
Uh, Around 7 months ago.
Around 7 months ago. 7 months ago. That means this is May month from 2014.
Yeah.
7 months ago. That means 2023.
Yeah.
On October.
Middle.
Middle.
Yeah.
Oh, that means almost 1 year.
Yeah.
Yeah, and how long you get preparation for IELTS? For how long?
It's a funny.
Funny story.
Yeah,
Okay,
funny
you
story.
can share,
Funny
no
story.
problem.
My whole life, I don't read
Anything.
but it's in the time IELTS. So I just read around 11 or
12
12 hours
every
per
per
day.
day.
Yeah.
For the SALS exam.
Yeah.
Oh my god. That's the history of your life.
Yeah. I
Okay.
just married.
You are just
Yeah,
married.
yeah.
Okay, for us. Okay. So, what are the desired band score in ours and ours? So,
Um,
6 or 7 or
I-
7.5.
Obviously good, but I'm also backbench student.
But what is the mandatory score for your
Yeah.
university?
University, overall minimum 6.5 is best. It's less safely. Yeah.
Okay, 6.5. Okay, so how was your study? How was your preparation time, and how you are maintain your study time?
IELTS is the international language system, but it's the most important thing. Time maintain. Time maintain is too much important.
Okay.
Because every is the main time Bangladesh when you are also student sir say please time is finished, then every people know write this
After that also write
but
something.
IELTS is not
Not for
this type of this type
when
of
time is finished, your
just
writing
finished.
also finished.
Also finished.
Okay. So
And don't look at you with no option, it's not enough.
Okay,
Not
okay.
no option.
No option. No
Yeah.
option to here
Anyone,
and there.
here and there,
Yes,
yeah.
yeah.
No option.
No option. So, brother, can you please describe the whole thing of IELTS exam? How many modules and how many chapter, how many section in every module? Listen, how many section in the listening module? How many section in
Yeah.
reading module?
First of all, IELTS, already mentioned that IELTS is the international language system. It's the two type. another is GT.
GT,
GT, another is academic IELTS.
academic.
Academic IELTS. When you go to study purpose, then you studies
I have to join
academic,
academic.
and job purpose. So need GT score.
Okay, GT.
GT score and academic score almost same, but some different.
Some different.
I
Like reading, writing some different. Reading,
yeah, I mean, reading some different and
Reading some different.
listening both are same.
listening,
Both are same. I will speaking three part. One part basic question and second part cue card. Sir, you got one cue card and one type of question. You don't know. Everyone don't know
Any
which type of
subject
question.
or any-
Yeah, any type of question.
Okay.
And you have only 1 minute time. You preparing your when if you say only 1 minute,
Yeah.
then explain 2 minutes. Then part two
Okay, so I have
complete.
to just describe the
Only
matter
1 minute.
in 2 minutes.
Yeah,
I have to prepare in 1 minute
1
and I
minute
have to
and
describe
describe
2
2
minutes.
minutes, yeah.
Okay.
Then part three another topic. Part two type detail part three.
Okay.
Around 15 or 16 minutes. I think
Total 15 or 16
15 minutes. Speaking part complete.
Speaking about
And another thing is listening, reading, and
yes. How many sections in listening?
listening. Three section.
Okay.
No, sorry, four section.
Fourth section. Okay.
Fourth section.
Third section.
Fourth section.
How many questions total in listening?
Total 40 question.
40 questions.
40 question.
40
40
question
minutes.
total mark 40.
40.
Okay.
Yeah.
The duration 40 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay.
40.
Maybe 40
Yeah,
minutes.
yeah.
Okay. So what type of voice? What type of
It's the regular conversation.
regular conversation?
Part one, I think two people, two people conversation, and part two also two people, and part three also one people conversation. Every one, it's just confusion. One people say it's the confusion type of answer.
Okay.
He just say it's the wrong answer.
Describe something.
It's just wrong answer, and another say it's the correct answer. But first of all, it's the mind
Mind game.
mind game. Yeah, mind game.
Okay. Mind game. So we have to understand the listening part. Maybe there is your skill, your language skill. Also, you have to be some understanding skills. Also.
Yeah. Understand.
And maybe there is mandatory thing. You have to understand the concept mainly,
Yeah.
so that you can answer the next third part questions. Okay. So that was our listening part,
Yeah.
the listening module, and how many sections in reading? Reading.
Reading session, three passages.
3 percent.
One passage, 12,000 or 30,000 word. That means too much long.
Too much
long passes.
How much?
Time only three passages. You cover just 1 hour.
1 hour.
You say per passage only 20 minutes.
Okay.
Only 20 minutes passage cover and
Answer.
answer full answer. Like one passage 30
How
marks.
many questions in reading?
Reading overall 40, about 40,
Okay,
40, 40 question and first passage 30 mark, second passage 30 mark, and last passage another.
30.
And
That
40,
means
40.
total 100 marks in reading.
No. 30, 40. Equal to 40. 13,
13, 14.
14.
Okay.
Yeah, 14.
I understand that for 30, 40.
Yeah.
Okay.
And include like fill in the gap and another summary, multiple choice,
Okay. What
This
kind
type
of passage?
and true false.
What kind of passage they give?
3 passages.
What kind of story or information?
Anyone don't know.
Don't know.
Yeah. You like what is ChatGPT type question and another traffic jam.
Okay.
Yeah.
That means every exam that's very.
Very.
Okay.
No common,
No common question.
no option.
Okay. That was our reading section. What about writing section?
Writing section 2 module, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 that means one graph chart, say like a chart, like graph chart,
Or bar chart or
pie chart,
chart.
yeah,
Okay.
lots of chart and table, table, another 6 or 7 chart, and part
Okay.
two,
Various type of chart,
Yeah,
and you will get one chart.
no.
From there.
Question two, part two is the mandatory. It's
Yes,
mandatory.
mandatory, I know.
No, you choose. No choose.
Yes, but you will get just one chart from this type of chart.
Yeah.
Either you will get pie chart or bar chart.
Anyone,
whatever.
you don't know.
Okay,
Everyone
yes.
don't know.
Okay, just one chart.
Yeah. One chart and part two,
Part two.
one tax, say your environment, any kind of question.
Any kind of question,
Yeah.
just I have to write an essay.
Yeah. And
Essay
the
or-
time, duration time, 40 minutes.
Okay,
But
section.
overall 1 hour.
Overall 1
But 40 mark exam, anyone else mentor say part 1 15 mark and part 2 25 mark.
25 mark.
That's why part 2 time is short, I think, and part 2 lots of mark 20. That's why this student
Okay.
too much big.
Okay, yes. So, how many words I have to read in this reading section? Writing
Section.
Yes.
Part 1 150.
150.
15 and
Okay.
part 2 250.
I have to
Almost.
summarize the chart in 150 words.
Almost.
Okay. If I write less than 150,
So
there is any
you
problem?
mark the decrease.
Decrease. So
Yeah.
minimum 150
Minimum.
and 250.
Yeah.
Okay, it's the minimum requirement.
Yeah.
Okay, and if I can increase my words, that's good, right?
Yeah. Good.
Okay.
But time is not available in this situation.
Okay, yeah, that's we have to just complete our essay or anything else just in this time and in this number of words. Okay. Now you already participated. Can you share some experience of yours? How you get and what kind of experience you face? How was your feeling and that kind of.
First of all, feeling so nervous.
nervous,
First of all, I say speaking part.
Ah.
It's a not face-to-face exam. So
Computer.
sometimes face-to-face exam and sometimes Zoom video call exam.
Okay.
I face video call exam, but in this time I just I say only
You are just blind.
blind. Only মানে আমি বলবো আমার মনে করছে 2 বছর যাবত পানি খেয়ে এমন বলা শুরু হয়েছে আমার কাট দিয়ে দিন
There is no cutting. We are not editing
Okay.
our video. No problem.
ওকে
So that was so much difficult. You
Yeah,
faced so
to
much
me.
difficulty
Yeah.
in your speaking part.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
your speaking part is first part.
Yeah.
Okay, so
I
that's,
my result 4.5. That's why
in speaking
4.5.
4.5. Okay, that's also good.
No.
But
no.
you already too much. You was too much nervous. After that,
Yeah.
you get 4.5. That means half mark. You already
It's
get.
not enough. It's not enough.
Yeah, I know it is not enough, but that much difficulties in that much difficult situation, you got 4.5. That means half of the band score, total band score. So why we not get full? We have to be careful, and you will get more score in the second term of your exam. Okay, after speaking module, which module you participated?
Also reading, writing, listening, and
No, all together.
Yeah. No. 2 or 3 days after.
Okay, there is a 2 or 3 days gap between speaking
Yeah.
and others
Others
module, right?
3 module,
But 3
one
module is
day.
together.
One day.
Okay, 3 module is together,
Yeah.
right? There is no gap between 3 modules.
No.
Reading, listening, and writing.
Writing.
There is no gap, right?
No gap.
Okay. So total time for this
Duration
module?
time 30 hour plus,
30
because lots of reason formalities.
30 hour plus or 3 hours?
Oh, sorry, 3 hour plus. 3 hour plus.
Okay, 3 hours plus. So, okay, that's good. So that was your experience. So overall, what was your score? Overall,
Overall score, brand score 6.
6.
Listening 7.5.
Listening, that
Seven
means you
point
are very good,
Yeah.
good in listening. Okay.
And reading also 6.
In 6. Okay.
Writing also 6.
Writing.
Only speaking
Only
4.5.
speaking
That's why my
4.5.
brand overall brand score 6.
6. Okay.
But if I got
You-
speaking
okay.
better score,
Better.
so
Yes. Your 1.5 score cut from listening
No,
and
no.
added with. No, I just when you average the 4,
Yeah.
that time you have to cut from another from one, and you have to add with another one. Right.
I say when you score 3 model overall score 888, 9 out of 888.
Okay.
But any one model who is 4.5 or 4, so it's valueless.
Valueless. Yeah. It's not valueless. Yes, valueless. So, do you have any advice or tips, tricks for our audience you can share? And after that
First
we
of
will
all,
finish.
is that time maintain.
Okay.
Time maintain is much important, and grammar is not mandatory, but need grammar.
Okay.
Some grammar include.
Okay.
But thinking is too much important.
Okay.
Thinking, because anyone don't know which type of
Already
question.
you mentioned it was mind game.
Yeah.
In listening
His
part.
thinking level is too much.
High.
Yeah,
You have to be too much high in thinking level. Okay. Thinking. After that.
And someone tips and tricks also include.
Okay. So you can share 1 or 2 tricks.
It's
You don't know?
another. Yeah, obviously.
Okay,
But,
you obviously know, but we will
it's
discuss about this.
Explain type
In,
note.
okay, yeah,
Not
we
explain.
will discuss later in another episode, inshallah. Okay, so anything to say in our audience? You have to say?
Thank you so much for watching this video and subscribe this channel. Okay.
Okay. So we are finishing our today's podcast, and this was our 6th episode. So all of you are invited to watch our previous episodes also, and you will get us in YouTube now. You have to just search Just Talk 75, and you will get our channel, and that is a new channel. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.